Hi guys, it's Meenal from The Miniature Life. Today's recipe is one that's really special to me. We're making Anda Burji, or Indian style scrambled eggs. My dad used to make this for me growing up almost every single Sunday, and I absolutely love recreating it in the kitchen. For this we're going to need 3 eggs, the juice of a lemon, 1 tomato, half a white onion, a teaspoon worth of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, an 1/8 teaspoon of black mustard seed, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, an 1/8 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of chili powder or paprika depending on how much heat you like, and this is optional, but a small whole green chili. To start, finely chop the tomato and onion. Then, in a small bowl, crack open the eggs and beat them lightly. We don't want to whisk these until it's smooth, we just want to break apart the yolks. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add in the mustard seeds and whole cumin seeds. Cook these until they start to sputter. Then add in the turmeric powder. Cook this until the raw smell of turmeric has left the pan. Now add in your onions. Cook these until they're softened. You can add a pinch of salt to help the cooking process. Once softened, add in the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are softened, add in the ground coriander powder and ground chili powder or paprika depending on what you're using, followed by the ginger garlic paste. Once well combined, now lower the flame and add in your eggs. Scramble these using a wooden spoon. Once the eggs are just cooked, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the pan and mix through. And that's how you make Anda Burji. I like my eggs a little bit soft, so I don't scramble them too vigorously. To make really firm Anda Burji, mix through really well and cook until the egg just starts to separate from the pan. You could also leave these a little bit runny by taking the pan off a little bit earlier. It's completely up to you. I like serving my Anda Burji with some fresh coriander and some toasted bread. It's such a simple recipe, but it's oh so tasty. I hope you guys liked today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Catch you guys later.